Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Amazon AWS. Begin by familiarizing yourself with fundamental services like Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2, and Simple Storage Service, S3. These are the building blocks of many cloud applications. Next, leverage the AWS free tier to gain practical experience without cost. This allows you to experiment with various services. Finally, consider a certification path, like the Solutions Architect Associate, to structure your learning and validate your skills. To truly master AWS, hands-on practice is essential. Start building small, practical projects, such as hosting a static website or deploying a simple web application. This reinforces your understanding of how services integrate. Always refer to the official AWS documentation. It's a comprehensive and reliable resource for detailed information. Additionally, engage with online communities and forums. They offer valuable insights, troubleshooting tips, and networking opportunities with fellow learners. Once you have a solid foundation, delve into more advanced AWS services. Explore serverless computing with AWS Lambda or NoSQL databases like DynamoDB to expand your capabilities. Consider specializing in a particular domain, such as cloud security, data analytics, or machine learning, to deepen your expertise. Always prioritize understanding cloud best practices for optimizing cost, enhancing security, and ensuring high performance across your AWS deployments. This strategic approach will elevate your cloud proficiency. The AWS ecosystem evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is crucial. Regularly follow AWS announcements and blogs to stay informed about new services and features. Pursue higher-level certifications, such as the professional or specialty certifications, to demonstrate advanced expertise and open new career opportunities. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Keep experimenting and building to solidify your knowledge and grow your cloud career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.